In our earlier we have done properties of triangles, and now we will learn about quadrilaterals. What is a quadrilateral? Quadrilateral is a four-sided figure with four angles and four vertices. Let A, B, C, D be any quadrilateral. A, B, C, D is any quadrilateral four-sided figure which has four angles: angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D, and four vertices, these endpoints A, B, C, D, and four sides AB, BC, CD, and AD, and two diagonals AC and BD. So quadrilateral is a four-sided figure with four angles and four vertices. These lines AB and CD are called opposite lines, and AD and BC are called adjacent lines. By adjacent lines, we mean any two sides which have one common vertex. Like in case of AB and AD, A is common vertex, CD and BC, C is common vertex. So these are pair of adjacent sides. And also this is the property of quadrilateral, that in a quadrilateral sum of interior angles is 360 degrees. This we can verify by dividing the quadrilateral into two triangles. A, B, C, D is a quadrilateral. We can divide this into two triangles by joining B and D. And we know the property of triangles, that sum of interior angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Now let this angle A be 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have to prove that sum of these angles A, B, C, D is 360. Now in triangle ABD, we know that sum of interior angles is 180. Therefore angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 is equal to 180 degree. Similarly in triangle BCD, again using same property, 3 plus 4 plus 5 is equal to 180 degree. Now we will add these two equations. So we get angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 6 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to 180 plus 180, which is 360 degrees. Now in place of 1, I can write angle A. For 2 and 3, 2 plus 3 is actually angle B. This 2 plus 3, in place of this I can write angle B. Angle 4 is angle C. This angle, in place of angle 4 I can write angle C. And similarly 6 plus 5, angle 6 plus 5 is actually angle D. So this is 360. So this proves that sum of all interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees.